Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to join Wix Marketplace in 2024. So, of course, whether you are a designer, a developer, or a marketing expert, joining the Wix Marketplace can help you connect with clients and also showcase your skills to others. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. Before we start, let's briefly discuss what's the Wix Marketplace. Of course, it's a platform where mixed users can find and hire professionals for various services, such as website design, development, and SEO. As a professional, you can list your services and attract potential clients there. So you'll need to sign up for a Wix account if you don't have one already. Of course, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want and go to the URL section. Basically, just go to wix.com right away, hit the enter button. So, of course, to join Wix Marketplace, you'll need a Wix account. If you don't have one, you'll need to go to wix.com and create a new one. Of course, if it's your first time, basically you'll be taken to this website. So click on login to log in into your account if you have an account. And if you don't have an account, click on sign up. And you can see Google or Facebook for create an account, or Google, Facebook, or Apple. If you have one of those accounts, you can simply use it. So you don't have to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. So after logging in, or create an account, you'll find yourself here. Basically, you'll need to navigate into the marketplace by clicking. If you click on the profile icon, as you can see at the top right corner. So here, okay, so it should be here. Maybe they remove it. Okay, I'll just go and open a new tab. All I need to do, just type Wix Markets. So marketplace, hit the enter button, as simple as that. Of course, you can just go and click on find expertise example. As you can see, you can explore services and etc. If you want to find experts as example to do something, you'll be able to do a lot of things in here. But that's not what we want. We'll need to go and click on get hired. Join the Wix Marketplace and get hired by Wix users. So click on get hired. And as example, we'll need to become a partner. Offers your service, sets your needs, and gets matched with potential clients around the world. So click on become a partner. Once you do so, as example, you'll be taken here. So as example, join our partner program. Agencies and freelance can enjoy free access to exclusive benefits, 24 priority support, potential earn and revenue share, eligibility to apply for the marketplace example, and eligibility to access our success team. So to access the marketplace, we'll need to become a partner. As example, here you'll be able to see about the partner program, how or who is the Wix partner program example, how do I join. So if you have one of these questions example, I'll just open here the answers. You can pause the video and read its own or read it by your own. Here for the Studio Marketplace example, the requirements and recommendations to join the Wix Marketplace as example. And you click on it to read it. As example, you need the partner program level, achieve the icon level in the Wix partner program, and have at least 20 premium sites published for a minimum of 30 days before applying. If you don't have that, you will not be able to apply. Other than that, of course, each agency can have only one profile in the Wix Marketplace. In business websites, you'll need to submit your own business website that showcases your best work. The website you submit cannot be a page from a larger portfolio site like Upwork, Behance, Fiverr, Design, Dribble, whatever you want. And location, make sure the location you submit matches the location set in your business info settings. Language, applications are currently accepted only in English, Chinese, Czech, Danish, Dutch, French, German, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Norwegian, Polish, Portuguese, Russian, Spanish, Swedish, Thai, Turkish, and Ukrainian. In portfolio projects, submit at least 5 Wix sites when you apply. Consider the following. Only submit sites that you created or collaborated on. Do not submit sites that include abusive content. Of course, if you don't know what's abusive content, you can even read it from here. Example. I'll pause the video, or you pause the video and read this all. Do not submit demo sites or coming soon sites, and do not submit sites that contains 404 pages. As you can see, this is the requirements for applying for the Wix Marketplace before even applying. Then, recommendations for applying. As you can see, when evaluating the portfolio sites you submit, we look closely at their design and user experience. Make sure also to provide documents to demonstrate your experience and provide valid contact details about your client. So we recommend submitting portfolio sites that have the following characteristics. The contents, messaging, and main CTA, call to action links, are clear and above the fold. Site navigation is clear and intuitive in the main menu through the site's pages. The images and graphic elements are appealing, relevant, and of good, of course, quality. The site's elements are aligned and the aesthetically pleasing layout. The site, of course, is accessible, mobile friendly, and SEO optimized. User interface elements are consistent across the site pages. For example, buttons, icon, and text should be designed with the same color and font theme. And the site, of course, uses like advanced functionality when custom solutions are needed. Velo by Wix, database apps. As you can see, you can even see the Wix Marketplace profile guide, how to create a new one as an example. And yeah, basically, we saw the requirements and the recommendations. Now, how to apply to join the Wix Marketplace. So all you need to do is, as you can see, when you're ready to apply to become a partner in Wix Marketplace, follow the steps below to submit your application. Upon submitting your application, it will review it and email you to let you know if you are accepted. This review process will take or can take up to 30 days. Of course, it could be before, but maximum is going to be 30 days. Click on save to save your progress during the application process. So you'll need to click on apply now to join the Wix Marketplace. In the general info tab, of course, add your general business info to show potential clients and click on next. In the preference tab, choose countries you would like to get leads from and languages, support, then click on next. Of course, clients from any country can still contact you directly in the Wix Marketplace. In the portfolio tab, click on plus add projects and add at least 5 Wix premium sites that you've built and click on next. And the service rates, as an example, tab selects the service you offer and enter your starting rates and click on next. And of course, in your experience tab, add additional info about your experience and work with Wix client, then click on apply. And finally, click on apply. As simple as that. And of course, that's how you basically apply to or join the Wix Marketplace. As simple as that. So that's all I can provide, just an article from Wix. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. So goodbye.